Hello and welcome to Natural and Simple channel. If you are new to us, please subscribe for more videos. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best potato face mask for glowing, fair, and smooth skin. Benefits of potato face mask. It helps you get rid of ugly spots, marks, and blemishes. Reduces inflammation caused by bruises, rashes, and ulcers. Helps reduce puffy eyes. Delays the signs of aging. Contains antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage caused by pollution and exposure to the sun. Grind the potato into a smooth paste. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is one of the nature's most revered skin remedies. Its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. It may benefit oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant, so it helps keep the skin moist but not oily. This is moisture from the skin without replacing it. Now slowly add the rose water to the mixture to make it a thicker solution. Apply about a quarter-sized amount evenly over your face, avoiding your eyes and lips. Wash off your face with clean warm water after 10 to 20 minutes. Pat dry with towel. This is the greatest advantages of using natural remedies. You will be more beautiful and confident yourself after apply this method. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.